Hello and welcome back everyone. So in this video we are gonna see the theoretical part of cross-site scripting. So cross-site scripting is a type of security vulnerability typically found in web application and accesses. It's also known as accesses, and it enables attackers to inject client-side script into web pages which can be viewed by other users, right? Let's see the diagram here. Suppose Suppose there is a attacker, right? So what attacker will do? Suppose there is a web application which is like Facebook, right? Facebook, right? So there is a web application. So this is the web application which is having some kind of database, right? And codes, front and back end codes, right? For their operations, for their functioning. So what attacker will do? Attacker will inject some kind of script here, JavaScript script, right? Attacker will inject such some kind of script in the web server, in the website. Let's say this is a website which is taking user input in the form of some kind of commenting features and the some QA question and answering and the comment. So there is a functionality in the website like Facebook. We can comment in the web application in a particular page. Suppose that's a page like abc.com/FAQ, right? There is a page in the web application. So in this page we can able to comment, we can able to write something, we can able to give the answers to the other questions, other users questions, right? So in the place of writing the answer or the authentic request or the normal request, attacker will write some kind of script or inject some kind of script there, and that particular script will be stored in the database of the web application, right? Now when a normal user will try to access this particular page, right? Try to visit which page? This page, abc.com FAQ, right? So that's the get request, right? That's the get request, and that's the post request. Now in the get request, what will happen? The user will get all the codes, HTML codes and the script which were present in the this page, right? But remember, attacker already posted some kind of malicious script in this particular page, so that script will also be rendered when the user try to visit that particular page. And if suppose is a script can be of any type, suppose it's a cookie stealing script, right? So when user access the page, the attacker will get all the cookies, right? The attacker will get user cookies when the user access this particular page. So that's the normal, you can say, the attacking scenario of the accesses. So simply accesses is nothing but just a web application vulnerability where attacker can be able to input a JavaScript file, and if that JavaScript file is able to store, actually there are multiple kind of accesses vulnerability, but in this scenario we are talking about the stored one, right? When the script is going to be stored in the database in this particular page, right? So when some other user will try to visit this particular page, that particular attacker's script will also execute, and whatever is written in the script will execute at the user's browser, at the normal user or victim browser. And the if that particular script is written in such a way that the user's cookies will be stolen, will be sent to the attacker server, then it might be the case, and the user's cookie will be sent to the attacker server, and attacker will get access to the user cookies, right? So that's the critical vulnerability. So how to prevent, right? Controls: input, check, and validate, right? So what is input check? When user try to inject any kind of script in the comment area, simply the web application will not allow user attacker to write a script there. It simply check at the both side, at the browser side and at the server side, and it rejects the script, right, in the normal scenario. And then what is validate? When that particular script is sent to the comment area, at the backend might be the admin, the all the comments first go to the admin panel, admin section, and admin will decide if that particular comment will be posted in the actual page or not. So it's a kind of validation, right? Then again, then the next thing is input sanitization, right? There are multiple things: input sanitization. And simply our motto here is, our objective here is check attackers or users input, right? So web application must be configured in such a way that it checks all the user in provided input before it actually sent to the server, right? And it can also be configured in such a way that it may reject some kind of inputs, like if someone is posting anything like starting from script and script, so the web application might be configured in such a way that it will reject simply anything which comes under the script and script. These are the different controls we will see in some other video, overall controls, but that's the general uh, theory of the accesses. I hope you understood, and see you in the next video. Thank you.